In this Godot tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to create an automatic dynamic system. All the assets I show you in the video will be left below in the description. The first thing you need to do is create a new node named Canvas module. In the Inspector tab of the Canvas module, adjust its color to see how it affects the display of the screen. I will use the dark blue color to make it look like nice time. The next step is create an animation player node. In the animation player, click the animation button to add a new animation. Next, adjust the animation length to set the day and night time. Then return to the canvas module now. Hit the key icon to add the new keyframe. Move the position of the dark blue color to the end of the animation length. Then return to the canvas module now and reset its color to default. Hit the key icon to add the keyframe. Now, in the animation tab, click the play button and you will see the transition effect from day to night. Next, change the animation looping mode to this. It will make the animation play backward when it finishes. In the middle of the animation length, add a bright red color to create the moment of sunset and sunrise between day and night. Click this button to make this animation auto-play on low. Finally, add some light. And now, everything is done. Thank you for watching.